Hello, let's discuss the importance of using clean ingredients in our hair products, especially when we consider the amount of toxins that go right against our scalp, which actually contribute to issues in our overall health. So, several years ago, when I joined Norwex, I took a closer look at everything, not just the ingredients in my cleaning products, but also my personal care products. And I got to tell you guys, what I discovered was really shocking. It led me to make a lot of significant changes in the home, not only for myself, but for my family. When it comes to personal care products, I was so surprised. Even some of my high end salon quality brands contain these harmful ingredients. Even products in my cabinet that said free of X or free of Y had the appearance of being cleaner or greener, also contained a whole host of harmful ingredients. One of the common culprits I noticed the most was probably sulfates, such as sodium lauryl sulfate, which is SLS, and ammonium lauryl sulfate, which is ALS, and also things like SMES. So sulfates are used in about 90% of shampoos because their job is to create a super nice lather, and they're cost effective. Like, we're talking cheap for manufacturers. However, these ingredients can really wreak havoc on our hair shaft, our hair follicles, and our scalp. And they lead to very common issues like scalp dryness, irritation, even hair loss. And honestly, with me like getting older, that is a problem I did not want to contribute to. So in addition to sulfates, I saw that my products had lots of other harmful ingredients that I wanted to avoid, like parabens. Parabens actually act as endocrine disruptors and they interfere with our hormone balance. PEGs, they are commonly used as thickeners in cosmetics and hair products. They're often contaminated with carcinogens like ethylene oxide and dioxane. Fragrances are another concern because manufacturers do not have to disclose the ingredients they're using to make fragrance, and they can contain up to 3,000 stock chemicals, including hormone disruptors, allergens, and things like phthalates. Lots of problems with fragrance. To address the concerns, I made a lot of changes in the house. One of the things that I switched to was the Nourishing hair care line by Norwex, which I love. It offers my family a safer and cleaner alternative. The Lysere Nourishing shampoo is the best, and I only use a little bit. It's formulated with plant-derived and certified organic ingredients, along with an essential oil blend to naturally scent it. It is free from all the harmful substances like SLS, SLES, synthetic dyes, synthetic fragrances, phthalates, parabens, GMOs, gluten. Yes, I said gluten. Did you know that I have worked with a lot of people who have issues with gluten and they've changed their diet and they still are having the issues? Gluten can be absorbed into the body through our personal care products as well as our cleaning products like detergents. This shampoo, for me, provides a nice salon quality performance without a hefty price tag. It cleanses and hydrates the hair without stripping it. The Nourishing conditioner complements the shampoo very well. It moisturizes, detangles, and promotes very healthy, shiny hair. It's very gentle, plant-based, and suitable for all hair types, which is a question I get all the time. Can I use it on gray hair? Can I use it on curly, straight, flat, full, color-treated hair? Yes, this is suitable for all hair types. Even permed hair is totally fine. The conditioner contains a Nordic antioxidant complex that has juniper, sea buckthorn, red algae extracts, and it does provide the hair with nourishing vitamins and essential fatty acids. It's like food for our hair and our scalp. For added protection, I love the hair protecting spray. This is so great. It shines the hair, hydrates, shields the hair from heat styling tools, from UV rays and pollution, which can be very damaging on our hair. It also helps with detangling, which I need. I have fine hair, but a lot of it. And it nourishes the scalp, preventing dandruff. I even use this. So sometimes I skip wash days, right? So I might wash my hair every 3 days and I'll notice that my scalp will start to get a little dry. So I use this on dry hair as well as on damp hair, which is fantastic. Once a week, I also treat my hair with the deep conditioning hair mask. It has a Nordic antioxidant complex. This mask It moisturizes dry hair, moisturizes brittle and damaged hair, making it a great option for like a weekly conditioning treatment. This is the smorgasbord for your hair. Choosing a clean and safe hair product is really vital for our overall well-being. And as you guys know, I'm very passionate about helping others avoid these harmful ingredients. And I'm here to guide you, answer any questions that you have, and give you guidance on what to look for in your hair products to have a healthier, happier life. If you want to learn more about the impact of harmful ingredients in everyday products, I recommend watching a documentary called Stink. It's on Netflix. It's so eye-opening and you'll learn so much. So I hope you enjoyed this video and I'll see you guys.